What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to remove Face ID data in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on biometrics and then click on face recognition. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that tap on this remove face data option on the top. Now from the pop-up again tap on remove to confirm. So when you will click on this remove option here, it will remove your face ID data. So now you can see the face data is now removed. So that's how you can remove Face ID data in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.